Amaka.
Brother Chide, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, such a lovely song with a wonderful voice. Your song can melt a troubled heart.
Thank you very much.
Where did you learn this lovely song from?
Oh, that? It was taught to me by my father. Yes, you know my father is the choir master of our parish. Wow. He's so talented, so he taught me this one and more.
Wow, your father is talented to teach you wonderful songs like this.
Yes, he is. Thank you.
Wow. Amaka, excuse me, so there's something I've been meaning to tell you. No, not at all. But Amaka, I want you to be my special friend.
Please, excuse me. My mother sent me on an errand, so she'll be waiting for
hold
me.
on, I won't take much of your time. I promise you, I won't take much of your time. Just few minutes of your time, Amaka. Please.
Amaka. Mama, I sent you on an errand.
No.
No.
Mama, I was leaving when he stopped me.
Come on, will you hurry up? I'm off here.
Yes, Mama.
You know, quality with him, okay? And you, stupid boy, chief or whatever they call you. Irresponsible, keeping on off here, man. You hang along the road with your phone, waiting for a young girl that you will impregnate. You want to get all the young girls in this village pregnant, including mine, on my walk. Now, let me tell you something. Better stay away from my daughter, Amaka. Else, what I will do to you, you'll regret it. Now get out of here, my friend.
But Mama.
Get out of here,
Mama, I like you.
Hopeless boy, you like. You don't even have a belt.
Mama, I like Amaka.
Hey, go get water to wash the car. Maiden, come. Go on, make sure lunch is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, darling.
Hello, my handsome prince.
You didn't get to call me like you promised. Why?
I'm glad you called. I was busy in the office.
Okay. So when do I get to see you?
Yeah, I'm still busy in the office. Let's just see over the weekend. Yeah.
She's too busy to see the prince. Great.
What can you? I will not, or rather I'm not the only one that has a daughter in this community. If you go give, you will not put me in trouble. What's the matter with you?
Mama Amaka, what is it? Why are you shouting?
No, because this is not ordinary shouting. See, why am I shouting? I found your daughter on the road with a young man. What were you talking with a young man? And the most painful thing is that he's not even a responsible young man. Agamefu! You're dealing with him on the road. What kind of nonsense is that? I sent you on an errand. If instead of you to go and come back, you put in love with a young man.
Amaka, is it true? Is Yoku?
No, Papa, it's not true.
This is not true. So that means I'm lying.
Mama, I'm not saying you're lying.
Were you not standing on the road with a man?
Papa, I honestly don't like what Mama is doing. No, I don't like it. She asked me to go and get these toys for her. On my way coming back, I was singing. Then Chidi stopped me to appreciate my voice. That was all. Mama, we are not doing anything wrong.
Shut up. Appreciate your voice. Would you ever sing better than your father? How many women have you seen stopping him on the road? Yeah? You have the best voice in the whole world. That he stopped you and you were singing to please him. I saw you both. The look in your eyes said more than appreciating your voice.
Amaka, it's alright. Be cool. It's alright. Amaka.
Papa.
Your mother meant well for you. It's not good for a well-trained child like you to be seen around young men in this community. It does not show that you are properly brought up. Please, I beg you, do not bring shame and disgrace for us.
No, Papa. I will not. Mama, I'm sorry. Papa, please forgive me.
I've forgiven you.
I promise not to bring shame and disgrace to this family.
You're talking like the daughter that I trained. Yeah? Not in a street. Now listen, what you need to do now, at this point of your life, is to study hard. Pass your exams, mad. Not loafing around with those loafers. Life waits for no one. If you decide to be useless, you got to useless. If you decide to be useful, you got to long make it useful. You get even new.
Mama, I already promised not to bring shame and disgrace to this family. I am going to study very hard in order to pass my university entrance exam so as to pursue my dream of becoming a lawyer.
Hey, the lawyer, now when you become a lawyer, within this community, they'll refer to me as no lawyer. Eh? Oh yeah, deep
You're not so gonna so. More like Quack Papa lawyer.
Narapu can phone ya na me kwalo kita no na chelugo do non din neke na elote mudi aluen ndi nna mama ase na iso akwigota hey order.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Go and prepare the things you bought.
Okay, Mama, should I cut it?
Mba, wait for me to come and cut it. Now seems that I cut it. Wait for me to come and cut it.
Sorry, Mama.
You see this idea of not talking to your daughter, you make everything so gentle and also so both of us should train this child. It's not a question of answering a lawyer when you will not do the needful. What can I believe and Malinalia? Nen called. Oh, can't faint it for you, also not jealousy. I found you only the double.
What's good about the afternoon? Where's your father? Where's your stupid father? I said, your stupid father!
Iche, please stop calling my father stupid. Mama, stop abusing him.
Shut up your mouth and call your father for me. Oh.
Why are you using abusive language to me?
Ekekwe!
Yes.
This is just a tip of the iceberg to what I'm going to do to you. If you don't pay all the money you are owing me, I will not only kill you, I will equally kill myself. Or to pay me the last dime.
Masibiko, it hasn't gotten to that. It hasn't gotten to anybody killing anybody. Unnecessary.
Mazuko, I will pay you all I'm owing you by next weekend. I promise you that. So there's no need for anybody killing anybody. Finish.
Yes. I will continue to embarrass you if you don't pay my money completely. You remember very well that Daddy came to my house. We are almost on your knees begging me to lend you that money so that you use it to pay for your daughter's university entrance examination registration. But you have forgotten I will come to your house and insult you.
Mazi, it hasn't gotten to insulting him nor causing trouble. Mba, he has promised you that he will pay you back next week. Give him that grace. Oh, next week, Oga boy.
My father will pay you all of the money he owes you.
Mazi Okoro, take my words. I will pay you by next weekend. No problem. Yes, please. Yes.
Ekekwe! 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 You said next weekend. Okay, I accept. But remember, if you don't pay me the last of that my money, I will drum a kind of a tune of music that will not be okay to your life. Do not say I did not warn you. Look, don't beg me that day. You and your wife. Do not say I did not ask for this day. Please, you must pay me my money. I'm going as you said. Let it be next weekend. I will go.
Hey, whoa. When will this syndrome end? Going and borrowing and going and sorrowing. Oh, Campos and Gua, La Miridebu Conani Jehovah. Missouri may be Nika woman.
No, you consider lamentation, cannot Kalia.
My king.
My queen.
I have noticed for a while you've been disturbed. You've been worried. What is it that is disturbing my lord, the king, or Guinea?
My queen, the gods have blessed me with children.
Yes.
Beautiful children, male and female.
Yes.
They have also blessed me with wealth, material things. But I am not fulfilled. Yes, I am not happy.
Your Majesty.
My queen.
You are not happy?
I am not happy.
Your Majesty. Why are you not happy? When you can get all your heart desires at the snap of your finger. Why?
My queen, it is not as simple as you think. It is not as simple as you have put it. Are you not worried that our two sons have refused to get married, even when they are doing very well in their respective careers? Are you not worried?
Oh, that.
Yes.
I am worried.
And you know the consequences. You know the consequences if they don't get married and have children before I join my ancestors.
Oh, Your Majesty, please, nothing is going to happen to you. I am worried. I understand what you mean. But what do we do? Is it not better for us to send for them? Or what do you think?
How many times? How many times? The last time I sent for them, Jamike said he was traveling to US, and the other one said he was going for a course. How many times?
Only let's just give them a try this time. Let's do it this way. I believe this time around is gonna work out. Please.
Are you going to call them, or do you want me to do it?
No, you do it better. I suggest that.
That's all right. If you think that will help this time around, I will.
That's my husband. Now, can you give me a little smile?
Well.
Great is your Majesty. Great is my queen. My queen, lunch is ready.
We'll join later.
I'm not even sure that I am hungry.
Igwe, we have settled this matter. Let's go and have our lunch, please. That's my husband for you. Let's go. Have your own.
Thank you. After you.
So babes, what do we do when you don't get it?
We forget about it.
Oh.
Babes, I was thinking you girls are not coming again. Like, you kept me waiting.
Sorry about that, babe. It wasn't intentional.
How? What do you mean?
Come on. We actually thought that your Prince Charming would still be around.
So tell us, hope you guys had fun.
Baby girl, I refuse to allow him come to my house.
Ugoma,
yeah?
What are you talking about? Look, if you keep on like this, you will definitely lose the prince.
But Ugoma, with this your attitude, the prince might hate you.
Baby girl, the prince cannot hate me. Listen, I learned he has dated many girls and dumped them. I would not like my own case to be like that. All I want is for him to prove his love beyond my expectation before I will give him my heart and my love.
Well, all I'm just saying is that I think the prince, you've hurt him too much. Okay? So you need to slow down.
Baby girl, please, I have heard you. Can we talk business?
So what's the good news?
Now you are talking. The Commissioner of Works has approved our proposal. And guess what? He has approved and gave us the contracts.
Whoa! That's not a bad idea. I mean, we are in for good business.
Yes.
Come on, let's pop some champagne to this.
You can take that again, babe. Let me get the champagne, but before that, let's shake some.
Oh my God! Oh my!
That's my safety, babe. My safety.
Come on, we got a party tonight. We got a party. Why are you not talking?
Just hold on. Give me some time. I'm coming. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
Did you later go through it?
No, sir. I was waiting for your instruction.
Okay. Drop it here. When I go through it, I'll tell you what to do.
Okay, sir. Excuse, sir.
Hello, Dad?
Yes, greetings, my son. How are you and your work?
Work is fine, Dad. We're pushing.
That's all right. That's all right. Something came up, and we're going to have an emergency meeting at my palace tomorrow evening.
Is everything all right?
You heard me, son. I'll be expecting you tomorrow. That's all right.
Stop! Why are you doing this? Stop! I will not touch you too much. I will not press. No. That's what you used to say. I will not press. You start pressing. Obina, leave me. Hey. Obi. Stop, Joe. Look at the way you just stressed. What are you looking at? I know you have seen it. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Let me not just. Let me not waste time. Okay? My dear, this is for you. Well, it's just a little token to show you how much I love you. I love them. You got me perfume. Yes. Hey, that's why I love you.
You're welcome. You know, I can do anything for you. Hmm?
Well, this is so lovely. I love them.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Baby.
What?
I'll see you later. Don't worry, I'll call you.
Okay.
Yeah, my friend is here.
It's alright. Fine.
Would you, my friend? You ever do like this? You attack you no?
Are you a baby? Don't you know Obinna is my boyfriend?
Which one is am I a baby? Don't I know Obinna is? Obinna, your boyfriend?
Yes.
Chuma, so you now have a boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
And you two seem to love each other very much.
Yes, no. See, you need such guys that can take care of your needs regularly.
No.
Your parents can't take care of your needs. Are you...
No, I don't need them. My mother told me to avoid boys. She said that if I don't stay away from them, they will destroy my future. That was what she told me.
That's not true. See, the truth is, Obinna is just one of my boyfriends. I have them like 4 that gives me such gifts regularly. If you're interested, I can link you up with some good guys out there that can, take care of you beyond your imagination and change your look, the way you look and everything. I don't know why you're acting like a baby.
Would you say 4?
4 or more than. That's the least I can count.
How can you have 4 boyfriends? It's wrong now.
Eh? Why is it wrong? Is it not my body? Will you tell me what I use my body for? What the meaning of is wrong?
Would you check? Wait. See, as a friend, I will tell you. Is your mother aware that you have 4 boyfriends?
Why will I tell her?
Would you don't even know you?
This is money. This is money. No, Chidi. I am telling you, this one is not going to cut. Leia, look at it. Hi! It will not cut. It will not cut, eh?
Ebuka, you have started. You can be so sure of these games.
You won't understand.
Wait and let's see what it will turn out now.
I can't wait. I think I need to start going to that place now.
Going to here?
Yes!
You want to leave me here?
Yes, sir. Look at it.
Man.
Look at it. 1.
Please leave here, Jare, with your games.
Good afternoon. Good
afternoon. Omiwa. Kekimere. Ubanukodi. Hey. What's in the one? What's up, baby? Ah! Why are you looking at her like that?
I'm just confused.
Confused about what?
It's Amaka now. I love Amaka very, and I want to marry her. But my only problem is her mother. She does not want to see me anywhere near her daughter.
Oh.
What?
What did you say?
I love Amaka. I want to marry that girl. Ebuka, be serious here.
How can I be serious when we are talking about money?
Leave this thing. Look at my wife.
How can I look at Nyasha and leave money? What is wrong with you? Okay, fine. You really love this girl?
I love her very much. Very much.
But that shouldn't be a problem.
Do you have any suggestion I can do to get her?
I think you should talk to your uncle. Yes, talk to him so that he will help you and talk to Amaka's parents. Before you know it, bam! Amaka is yours.
Ebuka, you have a point.
I have a point.
And to see, I have not even thought about this idea now.
That is why I am called Ebuka.
You are right.
My good friend,
yeah, I greet you especially.
Thank you. You're welcome.
You're welcome. We come in peace. Good tidings have brought us to your house.
Yeah.
Okay. May I know the good tidings that brought you into my house?
You see, Chidi, my nephew, my son,
a woman well placed. He saw a beautiful flower in your house and he wants to pluck it. Yes. Okay. If that be the case, now that I've known the purpose of you coming to my house, I will call my daughter Amaka so that you people will confirm if she's the one that you are talking about. Yeah, Amaka. Huh? Amaka! Amaka! Yes, Papa. Please come. Do you know these people?
I know him, Papa.
They've come here to ask for your hand in marriage. If you will marry this kid that is sitting here, please tell me now, so that I will accept all these items they came with as introduction for your hands in marriage.
Amaka, please. I'm here in the presence of everybody to let you know that I love you and I really want you to marry me. Please, Ami.
Listen, I really, really like you.
And I like you too, Ami.
Oh. Please sit. Chidi, like I said, I like you a lot. I like you so much. You're good looking. And there are lots of young girls out there that would want to be your wife. But I'm sorry. I am not interested.
Huh?
Yes. Because I still want to further my education. Please try to understand. Someday, you will meet someone who will love you so much to be your wife. I'm sorry. Please excuse me.
Amaka, please. Amaka, don't go. Amaka, please, I love you.
So. Hi. Amaka.
Oh, hi. JD. Young men of these days, always in a hurry. Computer age, jet age. There are procedures in this thing. Both of you would have agreed first before involving us, the parents. Huh? Now look at the embarrassment. Onye bere ku nwa. Nwa bere ku anwo. Onanu oge kubazi mmanya. Mbano. Koha. Chidi. Ngwana, let's go.
Uncle. Nai. I'm sorry. I love Amaka. And I'm ready to help her further her education to anywhere she would like to attend. Uncle, just like that.
Yes, so.
There's nothing we can do.
There's nothing we can do.
There's nothing we can do.
So I should go.
Can we just stay for like 5 minutes?
Let's go. Ebuka, 5 minutes in a megane.
Uncle. Uncle, just like that, Uncle.
Father, why are you unhappy? You're one of the wealthiest kings in this vicinity. Your kingdom is blessed with both human and natural resources. Yet you're unhappy. Why is that?
Both of you are the reason for my unhappiness.
How do you mean, Dad?
None of you has considered it important enough to find a woman and get married. Ogini, What is the problem?
Well, Father, that shouldn't bother you. We'll find a wife at the appointed time. Besides, these things take time. First, we'll have to find a woman and then get compatible before proceeding to marriage. You shouldn't bother yourself, Father.
I am not getting any younger. Neither are both of you getting any younger. It is my desire that you get married and give me grandchildren. Moreover, are you forgetting that that is one of the most important criteria for you to qualify to sit on my throne when I have joined my ancestors? Have you forgotten?
Father, we haven't forgotten, but what my brother is trying to say is we are not supposed to jump into marriage, right? We're meant to take our time and get the right person for us. We can't decide to do that all because of the throne. So all we are asking is you give us some time. But that doesn't mean I won't discuss with Jamike. We're going to have a review on that.
You people should better intensify efforts in that direction. I am getting impatient about this matter. Very impatient about it. This will not be the first time I'm discussing it with you, and I have not seen any signs that you heard me. I have not seen any signs that you understand the implications of you being single at this point.
We've heard what you said. It's fine.
Talk to yourselves. Huh? Jamike, Izuna, speak to yourselves.
Of course, Father, we'll make plans. Yes.
That will be all for now. I need some rest.
Hey, you just stop there. Where do you think you are going to? Boy, listen. Listen to me. Listen to me. I am not here for trouble. I am not here for you. I'm only here to see my prince. So get out of my way now. If you know what is good for you, go back now. Else, what will happen? I can see you want to fight. No, you want to fight Achoko. All right. Get ready to fight me. Get ready to fight me. Eh? Get ready.
What's going on there?
Yo, which is my prince? He demands to see you both. Greetings, my boy.
Let him through.
Hey, my prince. My prince. You are lucky today. Something wrong. Live here. My prince, I will commit suicide here. My prince, I am going to commit suicide. Eh?
Come.
My prince. My prince, may you live long. May you live long, the future prince of this kingdom. May you live long, my prince. My prince,
Chiko, enough of this drama. What do you want?
My prince, have you forgotten about Chiko, the big masquerade? My prince, I heard that you people are back from the city, and I have arrived to collect my own city drink. Nothing but that.
Over to you.
You know what? I will replace that drink with money. Okay?
My prince.
Here. I'm sure this will be enough for you to buy something of your choice.
All this money for me, my prince. Hey, all this money for me, my prince. My prince. Hey, my prince, may you live long.
Hey, no.
Prince,
no, don't do that.
Hey, my prince. Hey, my prince, may you live long. Prince, all this money for me. My prince, you see, this money, this is more than enough.
You can go.
My prince, this one will be enough for me.
Guards, come take him away
my
from
prince.
me.
All this money for me.
You can go.
Hey, my prince, I will go. Don't touch me. Move now. I tell you should not touch me. Don't touch me. Come, Aspire, move. Hey, move, my prince. Bye. Bye. I will be back, my prince. Bye. Hey, Amaka, be back. Hey, all this for me. From my prince. Stop talking and move. Do you know how much is this?
Amaka! Please come, my daughter.
Papa, you called me.
Yes, sit down, sit down.
There's no problem.
There's no problem. I called you so that we can talk about what happened earlier today.
Papa, hope it's not about Chidi.
Nah, it's not about Chidi. It's not about him.
So what is it?
You see, I want the very best for you in life. So, my daughter,
Papa,
I've seen your desire and the effort you are making to go to the university. But the greatest problem I have is that I don't have the money to train you.
So, Papa, what do you want me to do now?
Good.
Why are you telling me all of this?
Yes, my daughter. I want you to consider one of these numerous suitors that's always coming to you, seeking your hand in marriage. You might be lucky. You'll get married to one of them who will see you through the university. And then I will have peace of mind. Please, my daughter. Yes.
You are confusing me. I honestly do not understand what you're saying.
My daughter, don't be confused. All I'm asking you to do is just to take your time, think about what you have said, and then take the correct decision. Makanawa in Jokadi, or no take off here. Be cool. I'm begging you. I hope these are our rich sons in our community. I hope they will donate generously to this our community electrification project.
Don't trust those are our wealthy sons. They're just bluffing around, as if they have money. They are too stingy. They won't give one couple. She will not see.
Well, since some of us have not been accorded our due honor, our due respect in this community, personally, I will sit on the fence and watch as things unfold.
Because it's in our defense. This is for all of us. So. For all of us.
Good evening, sir. Adema.
No, eh?
Welcome, my dear.
Who is that girl?
You mean you don't know her?
My friend, if I know her, I will not be asking. Who is she?
That's the daughter of Ekekwe now.
You mean Ekekwe's daughter has grown into such a young, beautiful girl?
Yes, she's not only beautiful, but she's well brought up. One of the best brought up girls we have in our community today.
Exactly. Her attributes, a lot of attributes, good ones, makes her exceptional in this village.
Of course.
I tried marrying her for my brother's son, Chidi, but she refused, insisting that she wants to further her education to university level.
That's what I need to know. That's not a problem now. Eh? The father has no money to try to university level. It's not possible. The father is as poor as church rats. As I'm speaking now, the father is owing 15,000 naira not paid, and he asked me to come tomorrow to come and collect it. How much more will he get? Thousands of money to train in university. It's not possible. It's not. It's not possible.
Akajugo, I am sure that you and your brother's son, you did not do your homework well. Otherwise, this girl that just passed here will not refuse his hand in marriage.
So you will do a better homework than us now. You are smarter than us. That's what you're saying now. We are fools. So since you think you can do a better homework, go and marry her for your sons or maybe for any of your relatives.
Akajugo, or challenge again at home.
what I'm saying, all very easy. Go and marry her. Let us see. Go.
In Atom challenge. So because you cannot marry a mere young girl for your brother's son, because you lack the clout, the decency, the approach, the mannerism to woo a small young girl for your brother's son, you think that everybody is like you, timid? In Atom challenge. Watiri.
Hey! Okay. Since I cannot marry her for my brother's son, nobody can marry that girl in this village.
Akajiugo. In Atom challenge. Okwa Akajiugo Kiibu, not Akajiako. I hope you know the difference.
I know.
Yes. No, I am not sure you understand what you have done.
I understand.
Isn't Igbo Dogutiri?
Osokwa!
Otirikwe.
Yes, Otiri. Careful. Make careful.
I'm going to go challenge.
Yes. Make careful.
To go challenge.
Make careful. Nobody can marry her unless she graduates. She will not marry anybody in this village.
Yes, talking about graduating. What is I'm going to tell her?
Akajiugo at one challenge.
Okay.
Hey! Akajiugo. Moke to challenge. Ega afunanya.
Yeah. Olo lo na mme now. Elawago.
You want to challenge opposition?
What you will do? Is it easy? That girl is very disciplined. Unless she graduates, she cannot marry anybody.
Well, I told you father cannot train her. There's no money. Opposition has a lot of money. Opposition.
So, Ekekwe's daughter is now the center of attraction in this village. But wait, is she more beautiful than my daughter, Obi? It has even got to the point that Akajiugo brags and uses her to challenge me. I must prove him and other doubters wrong. Ijele Okosisi. It is time for me to prove to them what I can do. I don't care. I don't care what it takes. I don't care what it is going to cost me. I don't.
Can you make of the two princes' discussion?
My dear, I think very soon their wedding bells will ring.
I think so. We will have the opportunity to make merry.
But that shouldn't be what should bother you now.
Then what should we be bothered with your own idea?
You should think of how to appear to make any of those two princes admire and marry us. Yes.
You are right. But you know that is not possible.
Why do you say that? Are you telling me if any of those two princes ask you to marry them, you won't?
No. But if any of them does, I will gladly accept. But I don't see any of them getting married to a palace maiden.
Is being a palace maiden a crime?
Not at all.
So, I want you to know that we have all the chance to win them over. Besides, just pray. We play our cards well.
I pray.
Let's go back to it.
All is well.
Yes. Why do you ask?
Dear Mama,
I observed that your mood changed since you came back this afternoon. And you couldn't even finish the lunch I served you. What is disturbing you? Talk to me.
Well, it's something that you should not be bothered about.
Oh, really? I hope so. Because I don't want anything to spoil our day today. You remember that today is my own turn to share the same bed with you. Let's go inside and talk more. I don't want her disturbance.
Eh? What is she saying? What turn? What did I hear you say? Share what? My husband bed? You lie!
Ochakomaka! Ochakomaka! Okuki, which husband? Do you have husband? Has he paid your bride price? Or is it because I allow you to be here? Eh? My friend, go back! Husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. We are talking. I'm talking to my husband. And he's listening. Please move away. Me? They have not paid your bride price, so you are just hanging around here.
Me? Okuki Igbo? Yes. Okuki Igbo? Okay. I will show you what Okuki Igbo does to people like you. You have to leave because today is my turn. Oh yeah, stand up. What is it? I said leave. What is it? Leave this place. You are very stupid. What is wrong with you? You are very stupid. What is it? You have to leave. It is my own turn. Leave. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You have to leave. Leave. Akuna. Did I wait?
Now both of you, get out of my sight. Get out.
Honey, I love you.
Obim, it is my turn. Oh.
Get out.
You see you're very stupid. You useless woman. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you.
You see? Come on. You see you.
Leave me.
You see you. Come on. You. Leave me. You.
Let me run now.
You will not share this.
Leave this place. Come go. Get away. Get away. See you. Anofia. Achako. Maka. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone now. Akuna. It can't go to you. Get away. Idiot. Look at them.
Man, here. You are fighting over a man. Don't worry. I am thinking of how to bring a third person that will be settling your quarrels.
Oh, my prince. You're welcome.
Thank you.
But I wasn't expecting you.
Well, since you refused to come see me, I decided to come myself. Am I not welcome here?
You're welcome. What will I offer you?
Nothing. But yourself. Ogum, I love you so much. From the depths of my heart. I want you to be my wife. The mother of my unborn kids.
My prince, what do you want me to say now?
Just say yes. And I promise you, I will make you the happiest woman on earth.
My prince, you are proving yourself enough to me. And there is nothing to prove anymore. See, I know you love me. And I love you too. But you have to promise me you won't break my heart.
Hey, look at me. I promise you with everything I hold there, I will never break your heart. All I want is to make you happy forever. Please. Just say yes to my proposal. Please.
Yes. My prince, I love you so much. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you
I love you forever.
And I promise you, I will love you for the rest of my life. Thank you for making me a happy man. Come here. Come.
Since 10,000, when you get there,
10,000 naira.
Well, that is all we have for now. We'll have to beg him. We'll complete it later.
Where's my money? Where's my money?
Greeting first. Answer a greeting.
Dalon, Damien. Where's the money? Let me have it. The money is not complete, my friend. It's not complete. Complete it. I said it's not complete. Complete my money if I do something terrible to you.
Nani, Biko, calm down. Biko, just hold this for now. We'll give you the balance later.
Okay. I told you if I come here and don't complete my money, I'll do something terrible to you.
Please listen to me. I
promise
listening. You within the next 2 weeks I'll complete your money. Biko.
No, it's not possible. Give my money. Give my money. I'll tell you that. Don't give my money. Biko. No. Give my money. Give my money.
Who will pay if you kill me?
You better. I will not only kill you, I will kill myself. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money.
Within 2 weeks I will pay your money.
No.
What is going on?
Within 2 weeks.
Happier. Let him go. What is it?
Okay. Tell him to pay me my money completely or else both of us join our ancestors today and now. Give my money. I'm coming to you now.
My friend, leave him. Leave him.
Okosisi.
Leave him.
Okay, because of fear I will do that.
A whole Nzenozo like you. So what is the problem? How much are you owing him?
15,000 naira.
Only?
Yes. 15,000 naira.
Ichie. Mbano.
15,000 is small money. Now give my money.
My friend.
Give my money.
My friend, calm down. I said you should calm down. Because of 15,000 naira, you are embarrassing this man in front of his wife. Is that fair? Is it fair? That's too much. Oh my God. That is 20,000 naira. You will take the 15,000 naira as a refund of his money to you, and then you can take 5,000 naira for your troubles.
Thank you so much, Okosisi. For you, thank the gods of your land that Okosisi redeemed you today. If not! Okay, Okosisi, thank you very much.
Yes, you can go.
Okay, will you go, Jebe?
No, thank you.
Okosisi, thank you very much. I appreciate very much.
It's okay. Ndo, you don't need bother repaying me. But most importantly, you must know where you are getting money from. I'm here. I did not go anywhere. I'm your friend. If you have need of financial assistance, come to me. I will give you money. Ego nekwenu, 15,000 naira. Mbano. You need to be more careful. I was on my way to Nzenozo meeting when I saw what was happening here, and I said, let me come and find out what is happening here. So let me continue to be on my way. Ezigbo nwanyị. Ndonu. Nodu no ofuma.
Thank you.
Bye. You ofuma. Ogwo.
Nana, you have to be careful. All this borrowing of money is not good. Oh
yeah.
You should know where you go to borrow money.
It is correct, 100%. I won't borrow again in my life. Okay. I reject it in Jesus' name. I reject it.
Embarrassing somebody.
So what do we say to this great news?
More win, babes. Forward ever.
Backward never!
See, babes, now that we are through with the celebration of our business news, I have something to tell you girls.
What is it?
I want you girls to guess. Guess now.
Guess what? Or where you awarded another contract?
No. Okay, if you wish, Prince Jamike proposed to me and I've accepted his proposal.
This is the best news of the century. I mean,
please.
This is so beautiful.
I'm so excited for you. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Thank you. You know what? He said he'll be taking me to his parents by weekend. I just pray they will like me.
My girl, you don't need to panic. I mean, you're endowed. Who would like a girl like you?
You can say that again, babe.
Forget that thing. Nothing.
Let enjoyment continue.
Of course, babe.
More wine, I beg.
What are we here for? Come on, drink up.
Oh, yes,
Drink up.
Let's cheers to long life.
Yes.
Long life, cheers.
Come on. Cheers.
Happiness. Great friendship.
This one is the one that will kill me.
God has said we will not allow you to die. You won't die.
Augie, thank God you are here. Please help me.
What is going on?
I don't want anything to happen to my wife.
What is going on?
Hey. My mother was beaten by a
Snake! Hey! Obi, you people are still here. Take this money. Go and deliver the message, okay? Tell them I'm coming. I'm coming.
Papa, you need to come with me.
I know, but this woman has to go to the hospital. Do you want her to die?
No.
I don't have money. What is your problem?
I don't have money.
You don't have money. That is what you sing every now and then. Are you a weakling? Eh? You want your wife to die? Anyway, that's not the problem. I'm your friend. I will take your mother to the hospital. I will pay. Eh? What are friends for?
I beg kindness.
No
hospital.
This is snake bite.
Yes, I know. God has said will not allow you to die. You won't die. You won't die, my wife. You won't die. You won't die. You won't die.
Help her. Madam, you long way. Oh yeah, enter the front. Okay.
Let me keep all this. You like it?
Really?
Yeah, I like it.
That's good.
Yeah. My queen.
Your Majesty.
What you requested for shall be provided.
Really?
Before the forthcoming New Year
That's my Majesty. Thank you very much.
Nothing is too much for you.
Oh, you just reminded me of those early days when you got married to me.
Oh yeah, I'm still the same. Till today, I still see you as the same beautiful, pretty tomato.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
I will do it. I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, who's coming?
Our precious daughter. Really?
Princess.
Look at her. You are now a grown baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my God. You said you were going to come back soon. I didn't know it was going to be today. Wow.
Look at her.
By surprise.
Then you're not looking bad.
Oh yeah. Well, she's taking good care of me.
I trust you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hi. So how was everything, school and all that? What?
We are done with our exams and the result is out.
Really?
Yes, mommy. And guess what? I've graduated and I made it!
Oh my God!
That's my baby.
Take a good look at my result. I made a second class upper.
Really?
Yeah, mommy.
Oh, you people now check results on your phones?
Yeah.
Oh,
Honey, please, let me see. Let me see.
Look at it. This is digital age. In your time, people
wow. Need to check it on the phone. That's great.
Oh,
That's
yes.
my daughter.
Thank you, mommy.
We appreciate. God will bless you.
Thank you.
More and more. You're welcome.
Thank you, mommy.
You can sit.
Oh, where's everybody?
Jamike and Izu, they went out.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah, Daddy.
Yes.
You're always looking young.
What can I do?
Can't you see that I'm taking care of him?
You are.
What about me taking good care of her?
Of course.
Yeah. Wow. No, cheers to this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, get one of your girls to get her
Where's the
something to
man
drink.
so they can get me mine?
Sure.
Egewe.
Yes, Okoisi.
I am so happy that your wife is responding to treatment, very quickly.
Okoisi, if not for you, what could I have done to be able to come out from this problem I have? I don't know and lack words to appreciate what you've done for us. Oh, I thank you very much.
See, No. I need to explain one of the things you have not fully understood. You see, God will not come from heaven down to this earth to assist any one of us. It is one of us that he uses to assist the other. Listen, I did everything I did, not because of anything, but because of the immense love I have for your family.
I and my family were highly indebted to you. I don't know how to express my gratitude to you. And again, we are looking for opportunity when we will pay you back.
No. They are working my cousin here and I got pay what back.
All the good things you've done for us now.
Cousin, don't go there. Don't go there. I did what I did out of love. And before you start paying back, I'm on my way. Take care of her.
Okay,
Take care of her very well.
Okay. Oh my God. I never knew he is so nice. This is unbelievable. Okoshi, I've heard all you've said. Your intention towards my family is very, very good. But the major problem is this. My daughter have to take the final decision whether she will marry you or not. Not me, not my wife. The marriage is between you and her, and not you and me and my wife. That is where the problem matters.
Well, I've heard you. Okay, is the boy. I've heard you. But she's still your daughter. She's your responsibility. And then you can always make her to do what you want.
No. Not matters like this. Marriage, not friendship. Marriage.
Augustine, I think there is need for them to discuss their daughter Amaka. Don't you think so?
Okay, I've heard you. You've spoken well. But I also know that this is the time for me to know if you appreciate all that I have been doing for you and your family. Because it's always Ogosisi here and Ogosisi there. Is it a vine of grinding stone or it's always there? Snake bite, Ogosisi hospital bill, Ogosisi food there, so food in the house, Ogosisi. And I've been happily I've been doing it because I think I'm part of this family.
Of course.
It is time to know if I am really appreciated in this family. Yeah, it's okay. But before I go, let me give you some money. Take.
What is this money for?
Are you no longer an Igbo man?
I'm Susan. At least it is a sign that I have come to this house and to talk about something very important to me. Except you want to tell me now that you have started rejecting money from me.
Mba, nikwamo kamo di kwacha.
Oh. Well, you know, give it to your daughter. Girls have a lot of things to do with money. Buy weave cream. Now that I am coming to talk about her hand in marriage, she should look brighter and more beautiful. Give it to her.
Okay. Like I've been saying, I will still consult my daughter and we discuss. After the discussion, I will reach you, please, as soon as possible.
Hey! Okay. Olga.
Papa, how do you feel telling me this? How, Papa? Is he not ashamed to come to this place and ask for my hand in marriage? Is he not ashamed? What kind of thing is this?
My daughter, things of this nature, your opinion doesn't count. I, your father, takes decision, and whatever I say is a law. You must marry him.
Papa, sorry. I am not going to do what you say. How can you ask me to get married to a man as old as you? Obi, his daughter is my age mate. What are you even saying?
Calm down. No. She said it all. How can she marry a man your age? She has a right to decide on whom she wants to marry. Besides, this man we are talking about, there's a lot of rumor going on that his ways are not straight.
Tell him.
His ways are not straight. So we need to think and investigate very well before you start considering this idea of him marrying your daughter.
My dear, if you had listened to rumor, you could have not gotten married to me.
And what wrong choice?
Ichiokosi paid the money I was owing Ichiokoro, number 1. Number 2, when you had that snake bite, he took you to the hospital and he footed the bill. Number 3, this machine here we are using to grind and make money, he's the one that bought it. Number 4, he gave me this money specifically for you, for your own personal need, not my own personal need. Please consider it.
So, Papa, you're actually conniving with him to sell me off. That will be over my dead body. To Fiakwa. And we will never do it. Hold on. So, Ichio Okosisi has been doing all of this for a reason. Have you forgotten that I still want to finish up with my university education? It's something that I must do. And if he has been doing all of this just to get married to me, better return them to him. Go and give them back to him. Give him his money, give him his machine, Take all these things out. Take it out, Papa. What is this? Where is the machine? Mama, come and carry this machine out. Come and carry it and go and give it back to him. Come and take it back to him. Papa, say come and take it back. Come and take it back. You're not even thinking. You want to sell me off, right?
Don't you go in the pocket? There's money in his pocket.
My stand is that you must
I
marry
will
him.
not!
You must get married to him. Otherwise, this house will not contain 2 of us.
It will not contain us, Papa. It will not. Kill me. Do whatever it is you want to do because I am never, ever going to get married to him. That will be over my dead body. I will not.
Greeting, Your Majesty.
Welcome, young lady. Father, permit me to introduce to you my fiancée, Ugoma. Please meet my father, His Royal Majesty, Igwe Abomwe-1 of Umuifi Kingdom.
Your Majesty, it's nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down, brother.
Thank you very much, Father.
You're welcome. My son has told us a lot about you. Myself and the Queen. By the way, the Queen traveled out of town. She went to see her sister, the neighboring village. She paid a royal visit to her sister. When she comes back, you're going to be equally introduced to her.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Good. So, are you aware that there are rules to observe and hurdles to cross before you can become wife to my son?
My king, I don't understand.
Jamike is a prince, that you know. Before you can get married to him, there are customs and traditions that must be observed. Do you understand it now?
Yeah, but Your Majesty, like, what is it?
Oh well, by the way, do you really love my son?
Yes, Your Majesty. I love him with all my heart.
In that case, I have to proceed to explain the custom to you. You have to be under the tutelage of my wife, the Queen, for 10 weeks. It is after this period of tutelage that if she confirms you good enough, then and only then shall my son proceed to perform the traditional rites for your marriage.
Your Majesty, I'm a little bit scared. Like, I'm just getting to know about this now.
Oh well, yeah, if you had known about it before now, then you wouldn't have been qualified to be presented to me in the first place. It is an age-long tradition of the kingdom. So you have to brace up and face the challenge. Are you ready for the challenge? Yes. I wish you good luck.
Can I talk to you? Okay. Father, please permit me to talk to her in private.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Good luck.
Rushing down to like a trailer that lost its route.
My father is about to take a third wife, so I'm going to see Oka for the Penguin Tapa so he can have some reservation for my father by weekend.
What does your father need a third wife for?
The question should be who he wants to marry as his third wife. Should I tell you?
I'm all ears.
Amaka, the daughter of Ekegwe, has agreed to be my father's third wife.
What? That is not true. It can't be.
But the news has circulated everywhere in this village.
This is unbelievable. How can?
Don't worry. By weekend, you will believe. I'm off.
I have to confirm from Amaka if this news is true.
Darling, I'm truly sorry I did not tell you about this earlier, because our custom and tradition forbids me from doing that.
I understand. It's not your fault.
But my love, you have to do this for us. For the sake of our love. Because this is the only thing holding us back from getting married.
Babe, I can't really see myself staying for weeks with your mom. Honestly, I'm going to find it difficult.
I know. I know it will be very hard for you to do. But you have to do it. For the love we share. Alright?
I don't know what to say. But we need to go back to the city. I need to do some thinking. Please, shall we?
It's alright, we'll go back to the city. But you need to calm your nerves down.
Oh.
Okay? Come. Sit. Sit down, darling.
Amaka. What is this that I'm hearing? What did you hear? That you're getting married.
Me? Muawa Amaka. To who now? Eh? I said I must finish up with my university education. Where is all this coming from?
Well, Obi told me that you are getting married to the father, Okosisi. I saw her rushing to inform Mazio Kafo, the pan wine tapper, for wine reservation for the weekend.
Me? Get married to Ichi Okosisi? How can you even believe that? That man is old enough to be my father. Is Obi his daughter, not my age mate? You believed it now. You're doing your hand like this for me. You believed it. Please, I don't have strength for...
Amaka, see,
Ogene.
You need to be very careful. I heard that Chief Okosisi stops at nothing in getting his heart desires. Please, you know you're my friend and I like you. I can't deceive you.
Thank you very much. But even if Chief Okosisi stops at nothing in getting the world, it can never be me.
Babes, that is the tight corner I find myself. For the sake of love.
This is serious. So you'll be under the watchful eyes of his mother, the queen, for 10 weeks.
Yes.
But, Ogoma, I mean, do you have any idea what the test looks like within that period?
I don't, babe. See, I don't want questions. All I need now is solution.
But it's not a do-or-die affair. Yes. If you cannot comply to the demands of their customs and traditions, then quit the relationship and let Prince Jamike be.
That is the problem. I've come to love Jamike. I've come to love him. I can't even take him out of my head.
Then you have to do this. For the love you both share.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
Babes, you don't understand. You guys are not getting me. I'm scared of quitting my job, this relationship and everything I have worked for. On the line because of the love I have for Jamike. I don't know what else to do. I don't know.
Okay. Girlfriend, calm down. Alright? Relax. Look, your happiness is paramount. I just need you to follow your heart and do what makes you happy. I know in the end you'll be fine. Please.
Just calm down. Just calm down, okay? Calm down, you'll be fine.
Thank you. What will I do without you girls?
Thank you.
Ekekwe, thank you for the cola nut.
Don't mention, you're welcome.
I have come to find out the outcome of the discussion with your daughter.
Okochi, I'm afraid to say this, but I have to say it. The discussion never yielded any positive result. I tried all I could.
You say?
Well, what he's trying to say is that my daughter would rather pursue her university education. That means the issue about marriage, it doesn't arise.
Hey, come here, sir. Change the topic. Say something else. What do you think I am? A small boy? And you call me here as a Pakiano. Can you not check on Yerimanya? Amaka wants to go to university. Can you send her to university? You, your wife, and all your lineage, if they combine all of you together, can you send that girl to a university? Can you? I know you don't have the resources. But anyway, if Amaka wants to go to university, I will send her. I will train her to any level she wants to, academically. Even if she wants to study abroad, I will send her abroad to study.
Or whatever it is that you're called. I heard your discussion with that of my parents. Let me make it clear to you that you have failed. Because no matter what you do, I will never get married to you. Even if you say you're sending me to the best university in the world, I, Amaka, will never get married to you.
Amaka. Here in the in the Lagos boy initial gragra. Listen, I will do a lot more. University education is just the tip of the iceberg. I will use money and spoil you. I'll buy you 2 cars at once. You will park one here and one in your house. Build you a house, remove this thing, and build a befitting house for you.
Are you done? With this your old hagged cap that you want to build us a new house? Even if you divide this world into 2 and give Amaka 1, I will never marry you! Let it sink! What is wrong with you, old fool? What did I do to you? Besides, I am young enough to be your daughter. Is Obi not my age mate? Why are you so bent on making me your 3rd wife? What is your problem? Leave me alone, oh! I am warning you! Don't let me be... Please fall! Fall if you want to fall! Nobody cares! Nonsense. And stop looking at my father like that, oh! Don't look at my father like that! Where are you going to? I am asking you, Choko Sisi! Mama, leave me! Leave me alone! Where do you think you're going to? Old fool! Where are you going to? Come and marry me now! You're looking for a young girl to make your 3rd wife! Come and marry me! You don't want to marry again? You don't want to marry again? Oh, you are now afraid! Come and marry me! I will be your doom! I will be your end! Look! Come and marry now! Old fool! Old fool! Come and come and marry now! I said come and marry me! You don't want to marry! Come and marry me now! I've kept quiet for you now! If not for one thing, your red cap will be on the floor now! Idiot! Nonsense! You! Papa! You! I have tolerated this enough because you're my father that I love so much. Else, I would have said things that would make heaven fall. If you connive with that man to sell me up, you will be the one to marry him. Let that sink.
What's the excitement?
Mama, you should have seen the way I jumped up at the computer center today. All eyes were on me.
Computer center, what did you go there to do?
I want to check my JAMB result now. And guess what?
Say it now.
Mama, you passed.
Yes! God, you're just awesome! Of course. No! Oh my God! I can't believe this university. Mama, your daughter did it. I told you I will make you proud. I give you my word. Your father will be so happy to hear this. Don't worry, he stepped out a few minutes ago to visit someone. Hey! You made it! Tell Papa yet. Hey, look how my daughter will be a lawyer.
Mama, you needed to see the one who was screaming. I was screaming.
You couldn't. Barrister Upunnu. Hey! Congratulations.
Thank you,
I am
Mama.
going to make you a salad soup today. Yes.
Mama.
Finally.
Mama, it's been my dream to become a lawyer. In fact, Chief Judge. I'm a Rianis.
I'm a chief.
I'm a chief.
Yes, sir. We're working tirelessly to make sure we achieve that. Okay, sir. Alright, do have a nice day. Bye. Yeah, so who do you say is here to see me?
Sir, is the lady from the financial institution. She refuses to go until she sees you.
Didn't I tell you not to let her in?
Sorry, sir, but she insisted. But, sir, I'm sorry to ask. I thought you both are fond of each other. Why don't you want to see her?
Are you out of your mind? How dare you intrude in my affairs? I told you not to let her in, and that is the instructions. My friend, go out there and tell her to get out of here.
Okay, sorry, sir.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I was busy somewhere before I received your call and asked me to start coming. That's why I'm here.
Yeah. At least you are here. You're here.
I hope all is well.
Well, yes. All is well. But not well. Well, you see, Mazi Ekekwe, I called you here so that we can reason as men. You see, I have forgotten what happened the other time, yesterday. Yes, I have forgotten about it. I've removed it from my mind. You see? Mazi, I want you to know that I genuinely love your daughter, Amaka, from the depths of my heart. You see? And if you can convince Amaka to marry me, I will train her up to the university level and even higher.
Really?
Yes. If Amaka marries me and I become your son-in-law, your family will benefit so much from me. So much. I'm not boasting.
Ichokus, what you're asking me to do is not an easy
I know it is not an easy task. Abumwata. I know. You see, that is why, Ekekwe, you see from this uncle, take it straight down to that Menila tree. Stretch it down to that Osisi Bolonko, and to Ukunku there. Back again to this uncle is my land. I own it, every inch of it. But I am giving it to you to appreciate you. For all the things you are going to do for me.
So you mean all this, you've given it to me?
Akakunoku, ekune, Ane ekweku ane ememe. I am giving you. Your son-in-law is giving his father-in-law money and you are saying no. Take it. I know you have nothing left in your pocket. Take it. Share it with your wife. Tell her it is to convince her daughter to marry me. But please, Ekekwe, do not disappoint me.
I won't disappoint you. I'm already seeing you as my son-in-law.
See, my money is not finished. No. Egomu otoka. Egomu torogonogo. It is not, and it cannot finish. Where this is coming from, there is a lineup of much more for you and your family. I know you trekked to this place, but you see, I am going to give you a ride back home. And that is how it's supposed to be. Enjoying a ride every time we meet. Especially when we go to Umunna meeting. I will be giving you a ride back home. Come on, let's go. Come on. My father-in-law, you see? Why do you want to very simple?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Good.
You're welcome, brother.
Sister, how are you?
I'm fine. My queen, my princess, good day.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Brother, who is she?
Well, she is my friend. A very special one, actually.
Yes. Welcome, special guest. Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome once again.
Darling.
Yeah.
She is my sister. My only sister. The princess of this great kingdom. And my mother. The queen and Uriaku of this wonderful kingdom.
My queen, my princess, it's nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Welcome. Thank you.
Please can we go inside?
Very well. Ladies first.
If you are looking for him, madam, go to his office and look for him.
Forgive me, please. This is the only place I have the opportunity to see him. He has stopped me from coming to his office. Please just let me see him just this once.
Madam, please stop coming here to look for Oga. Or do you want me to lose my job?
No. Let's not get into that, please. Just help me this once, and I will not disturb you again. Don't forget how nice I used to be to you. Please now.
I've never seen bro. Madam, do you want me to lose my job? Madam, don't look inside again so that they won't know. I don't want any problem with Oga.
Madam, even there are cameras in this house, which if you peep, you will see it.
You can help me now.
No, madam, there is nothing I can do, please.
Wait, let me.
Madam, please, adjust to this side. Madam, adjust to here.
Let me stay here now.
No, madam, adjust a little, Please.
Again.
Madam. Madam, be coming to this side now. Hey.
What are you doing here?
My sweetheart, please. I am so sorry.
Didn't I tell you not to come to this house again?
My son, please. I'm sorry if there's anything I've wronged you. Just
That is not my question. I said, what are you doing here? Didn't I tell you not to come to this house again?
I'm sorry. If there's anything I've wronged you, just forgive me this once. If you don't forget to not what we feel for each other. Please now, please.
That was a wonderful lecture on financial matters. I'm impressed by your delivery and choice of words.
Oh, thank you very much. I was only doing my job, that's all.
You are not only smart and intelligent, you're also pretty.
Thanks for the compliment, sir. Thank you.
So, what do you think about having a dinner together, at least get to know you better?
That's what they always ask. But then if I may ask, are you single or married?
Yeah, single, searching. Why did you say that though?
Just asking, nothing more.
Yeah, I know you're asking. You said they always say that. Looks like you have been told that severally.
You should know what that means. But just let it go. It's okay.
So, what about you? Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Wow, that makes the both of us. So I think it's not a bad idea if we go for dinner together, at least tonight.
Dinner. Not a bad idea anyway.
Bad.
That's cool.
So, can I have your contact? Let's start from there. Honestly, I'm surprised.
Why?
I cannot believe that a career woman like you can prepare such a sumptuous meal. It's your long nails.
You enjoy the food, right?
Of course. This is what I call food. Everything is in place.
Thank you.
Honestly, it's been long I had such a good meal. And I'm glad you made it happen.
I'm flattered. All the same, thank you. And I'm happy you enjoyed the food.
I did. Now let's go inside so I can express how much I enjoyed the food.
Why don't we do it here?
Nah, inside. From there to this place. Come here! Boom!
Oh my God! Yeah. Oh, you can carry me. Sweetheart, I've gotten the medicine from the pharmacy. Just take it, you'll be fine. Okay?
Okay. Thank you for coming.
It's okay.
Please, get water for me. Get water so I can take it.
Wait, just slowly. You can put your head in. I'll be right back. Of course I miss you too. Yeah, sure. Because I love you too, and you know that. No, I'm in my brother's place. Yeah, I'll see you towards the evening. Sure, towards the evening, yeah. Please just stop. Oh, sweetheart, you're back?
So you're cheating?
Me?
No. Your spirit. So this is what you do?
No. It's not what you think. I can explain myself.
Of course, I know it's not what I think. You love him. You cannot wait to see him. You're missing him. You'll see him this evening. So this is what you do? Huh?
No, it's not what I can explain myself.
Because I heard everything. You couldn't even tell him your location.
No, my love, it's not what you think. I can explain.
Yeah, of course, I know you can explain. You are in your brother's house. You're missing him. You can't wait to see him this evening, right? What else do you want to say? I heard everything. So this is what you do.
No, it's not like that. I can explain. Please.
Oh, fine. Explain. Explain then. Who is it to you?
It's not like he's a she.
You a lesbian?
My love, I'm sorry. We were needed together before I met you, but then I've stopped. I told her I don't want it anymore, but then she kept disturbing me. I don't do it anymore.
You are evil. No. You leave my house now. If you don't take a few things are you mad?
No, I'm sorry.
Are you mad?
No, please no. Please. My love, please, I'm sorry now. Please. Please, just forgive me. Just give me the little opportunity to explain myself.
There is no opportunity for you to explain yourself. Now listen. Whatever I feel for you has died off. It is over between us the moment I realized that you were lesbian.
Hey.
That is a taboo from where I'm coming from. Leave my house now.
I don't do it anymore. I've stopped it. I don't do it anymore.
Look, if I see this lady in this house, the next minute I will have you to blame.
I still love you. Please don't forget. I am sorry.
Well, Father, I brought her back so she can start the 10-week stewardship on the mother.
Young lady, is that correct?
Yes, Your Majesty.
That is good to hear. Princess.
Father.
You heard her. You're going to take her to your room and then inform the queen that she is here.
My room? Daddy, why not the visitor's room?
Oh, why not my room instead of keeping her in the room meant for commoners?
Princess.
Father.
My instruction was that she stays temporarily in your room until you inform the queen, who will take charge from there.
Okay.
Jamike, henceforth, it is the queen's rules that will be obeyed on this matter, not yours. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Young lady, once again, good luck. That will be all for now.
Come with me.
My son, listen to me. You may not understand, but this age-long tradition is for good. This is the best way to establish and to confirm that the girl you're going to marry is good enough. Women are very deceptive. You will never know as a young man that is in love until they come in. And when she goes through this 10 weeks tutelage under the queen, woman to woman, she'll be able to find out everything
you will need to have a happy home. Is it clear to you now? Do not worry, everything will be fine. That will be all for now, son.
Nani? Yes. Why did you collect this huge amount of money from Ichioku Sisi? No, wait. Is marrying off your daughter a do or die affair?
No, but I have my reasons. If our daughter decides to marry him, our status will change in this community for good.
Papa.
Yes.
I have said this before, and I won't stop saying it. Stop collecting things from that man, because I will never marry him. Even at gunpoint, that will be over my dead body. I don't care what his intentions towards me are. And I do not care what this family stands to benefit from him. I will never, ever allow you sell me off to that man. I will not allow it, Papa. I am telling you now. I am begging you.
Why can't you shut up your mouth? Listen and reason along with me. If only you accept to marry him, our financial status will just change. Everything will change for good.
Nani, I'm ashamed of you. You see, my daughter, you can't tell her off to jail. Whatever you collect from him is your business. It's not going to affect my daughter and I. No, let's go to bed.
Oh. Where are you going to?
Nani, I don't. You see, this topic of discussion is closed.
Is that a threat?
Call it whatever you like.
Good
night.
Papa. Papa. Stop. I am begging you. Stop collecting things from that man. I am begging you. I am begging you. But if you continue to take things from him, that will be your business.
Oh, there you are. I've been looking everywhere for you.
My prince, I'm here.
So how are you coping?
My dear, I'm just tired. Well, I'm managing. I was made to scrub the whole palace. Honestly, I'm very tired.
Well, I know this will be a very difficult task for you. But of course you know why you're doing this, so please, be strong. Okay?
Yeah, I will.
I don't know if you need anything. You could just... Mom.
What are you doing here?
Well, I was just checking up on her. That's all.
Brother, I thought you were once Rivalry, not to come close to her. More especially when she is walking.
Mom, you know she's my friend. Yet you treat her like a slave. Why?
And what does that supposed to mean?
Ask him.
I mean, she's my friend, yet she's been treated like a slave.
According to tradition and custom of this place, she's under tutelage, and because of that reason, you have no right to visit her whatsoever.
Mom,
you were being instructed, isn't it?
I know, but she is my friend. I can't watch her go through this process.
My prince, don't worry. I will do it.
Shut up. Like you have a choice.
Now get out from this place. Go away from this place! And you, sure you are doing what you asked to do. Have I made myself clear?
I did not hear from you again.
Yes, Okoisi. What happened is that I'm very busy with my farm work.
No, really? Well, that is why I decided to come down myself to find out how far you have gone with our agreement.
Okay. Okoisi, my dear friend, I've tried all I could to convince my daughter to marry you, but she refused totally. Well, I am very sorry. This whole money you've been giving to me, have it, please.
You have disappointed me. When I gave you this money, you promised not to fail me. But you have failed me.
Yes, I did. But my daughter totally refused to marry you. What can I do? Please take back the money, Okoisi.
Keep it. From the moment I brought it out of my pocket and gave to you, I have forgotten about it. I don't need it.
We don't need it either.
Ekwe, you and your family have insulted me again.
Okoisi, please try to understand.
Have you noticed that none of these prince is interested in any of us?
Hey, I have tried so many methods to get their attention, but nothing is happening.
You girls should let them be. Nothing can happen between us. They see us as commoners. I think you are right. Maybe it is because we are just ordinary palace maiden, and they think that nothing good can be in us.
See, let me tell you girls, I am not blaming myself for trying. Yes, because I know most of those girls that come to this palace to see their parents are not more beautiful, even manner than us. Are you not seeing us? Are we not beautiful?
Have you not seen this one Prince Jamike brought? The girl is so lazy.
Hey.
Let's see how she will survive in 10 weeks.
They said wonders, shall never end. Cha cha cha.
All the girls wants to get married to a royalty. Let's see how it will happen. We are all in this palace.
Yes, so I die here. No leave. No transfer.
Please, let's go back to our work.
Get up! My princess, good day. What is good about the day? Huh? So you are down here sleeping. This is what you came to the palace to do? To sleep? My princess, no. Just that I'm not too strong. I'm feeling feverish. Shut up your dirty mouth. Look at me. You can deceive every other person in the palace. But you won't deceive me with all these your flimsy excuses. You know that. My princess, with all due respect, I'm not a lazy girl. I told you before, I'm not too strong after all. Shut up! You tell me not to talk when I am talking. Princess, you slapped me and I will do it again and again, for you are a daughter of a nobody. Now, I need you to get your lazy self up and do something useful with your life. This is a royal family, and I determine who stays and who leaves. Do something with your life now. Clean up the whole place. It's okay. It's okay. I will do it. You have no choice. Look at everywhere. It's messed up and you're busy sleeping. I wonder where my brother get this one from. Yeah, do it.
Papa, welcome. Papa, what did you buy for me?
I did not buy anything.
Papa, you promised to buy a loaf of bread that we will use for breakfast.
And if I did not buy the bread, would heavens fall? Will it?
Nai. Are you okay? Why are you shouting at our daughter like that?
Yeah, why? Don't ask me stupid questions. Where is my food?
Papa, calm down. Your food will soon be ready.
And you? Why are you dressed like this?
Papa,
where are you going to?
I want to go and see my friend.
You want to go and see your friend?
Yes, Papa.
I want to go and see my friend. That your friend, is he a boy or a girl? Answer me!
Papa, it's a small girl.
A small girl.
Yes, Papa.
Come on, go and put water for me to bathe.
Nine.
Obi.
Papa.
Obi.
Papa.
Obi Ageli.
Papa.
Don't do anything that will reduce your bride price.
Nanya, are you okay? Why are you talking to our daughter like that? You are not in a good mood. What is the problem? What is disturbing you?
Come on, suck a bag inside. Go inside. Go and get my food.
Oh, Chimo. No.
How am I going to explain to my friends that Amaka refused to marry me? How would I tell them that after the council meeting at the Igwe's palace? They will make mockery of me. I can't stand the shame. Oko Sisi, you have to do anything to make Amaka your wife. Where is the food? Where are you? Obiageli! Obiageli!
Hope you enjoyed the breakfast.
It was delicious. You're actually a good cook.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm just being myself, nothing much.
That's priceless. I must commend you on the way you're handling the home activities. It's really, really nice.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
It's fine.
And I love you from the deepest part of my heart.
I love you too.
Thank you so much, honey. And please do take care of yourself for me, okay?
And you too, okay?
I will.
Call me if you need anything.
Of course.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you too. Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Cheers.
Namaka, I'm dying. I'm dying.
No, stop saying things like that. You're not dying anything. You'll be fine. All right? Besides, I've already sent Amaka to the chemist to buy you some medication. All right, in my own now.
Amaka. Why your face is looking like this? Oh, Mom. I know. Your father is still very sick. Is he getting better?
No.
Not yet. Oh, sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing on the street?
My mother sent me to go to the chemist there and collect medications for him.
What? From that fake chemist dealer? What is wrong with this village people? Eh? And what can cure your father is very close to your house. Why are you looking at me like this? You don't know?
Please, what could that be? My father is dying. I don't want him to die.
They've not told you?
Nobody told us anything.
Your king's men are evil.
Iche, please, what is that?
Just go down to Amuka Junction. You will see Ojobo leaves.
Ojobo leaves?
Yes, Ojobo leaves. Wash it, squeeze it, give it to your father to drink. And in less than 2 hours, the man will jump up on his feet.
Iche, thank you. Thank you very much, Iche.
Hurry!
Thank you, Iche. Yes, Mama, but on my way to the chemist, I met Iche Okosisi. He said I should bring this leaf and come and give it to Papa. Papa,
you need water to be able to... Are you sure he can take it?
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
Wait, Amaka. Amaka, I don't like the way your father is acting. Go and call one of the elders. One of his kinsmen, please. Call somebody.
Ogudike, Obu mmadụ mgbe dị na-atọ ya ụtọ. Ịsa ga n'iru, ngwa. Okosi. What else do you want?
I want both of them dead.
You shall have what you want. But their innocent blood shall be upon your own head.
I am ready to bear any consequences. I am ready.
Ogugudike, now say what you want.
Ekekwe and Mugo, I want both of you dead. Die! Die! Die!
Let it be done according to his wishes. Obia! You come on,
Nani, you know you can't do this. You can't.
It is done.
It is done!
I can see.
It is done!
I can see. Hey! Oteka the Great. Oteka the Great. The greatest of the great Dibias. I have come to appreciate immediately. But this is small. I will go and prepare and come back to thank you in a most special way.
Keep it there.
Okala madu okala muo. Nkenke nyi na achu igwe. Okala madu okala muo.
Jema majo anji jojonjo ai mama.
Okala madu okala muo. Hey!
Oko sisi.
Ibezugo.
Oko sisi. Oko sisi.
An mabia.
Alright.
An mabia. Kanje kwado.
Odogwu.
Okala madu okala muo.
Odogwu.
Hey!
Papa!
Amaka!
Papa!
Amaka! How about your parents? Eh?
I don't know. My mother asked me to come and call you. Mama! Mama!
Hey!
Mama! Mama,
To destroy this innocent person.
Papa, wake up!
Thank God. Thank God I've seen you.
Ogini, what is happening? Why are you running like
Okosisi, the unimaginable has happened.
What is it? What is unimaginable that has happened?
What I saw not quite long. Just rush to Ekekwe's house and see for yourself.
What happened now? Are you scared of telling me what happened?
Amaka has killed her parents. Oh, you are shocked now. Good. Just rush down and see for yourself. Ekekwe and his wife stone dead. Amaka must tell us what happened to them. Because you should go and see for yourself. As I rush to kill our kinsmen, please do.
But let me go and see with my eyes.
Better now. Are you still standing?
Alu, this is Alu.
Hey!
Nobody on this world. Nobody on this world. Opuna bisha maramuno, kopuna kubadironko. Ndobodanyo, umifite kingdom. Opuna bisha maramuno, kopuna kubadironko. Ndobodanyo, umifite kingdom. Mama, haya, mama, mama,
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm fine. I miss you.
Hey, come on. You know I missed you too.
Yeah.
Yes, that reminds me. I saw your friends. They were complaining about trying to reach you over the phone, but all to no avail. Why?
The Queen banned me from using a mobile phone. So I rather switch it off than to ignore calls.
What? She has no right to do such.
My prince, the worst is your sister, Princess Chisom. She treats me like a slave. I've tried to ignore their excesses, but it's really getting out of hand.
Chisom. You know what? I will take care of this.
Son?
Mom.
You are not supposed to be with her. Allow her do her job.
Mom, why would you deny her access to her mobile phone? Chisom, what gave you the audacity to oppress my fiancé in my father's house?
Oh, Ugomma, so you have the guts to report us to my own son? You have the guts to report us? The queen of this kingdom?
Mommy, this is what I've been telling you about.
This girl is a witch. Her mission in this palace is to turn my brother Jamike against the two of us. But it will not work for you. You!
Chisom, stop it right now. Stop it!
Ugomma, or whatsoever you call yourself. You have failed. And you have failed woefully. It can't work for you. I am going to make this palace a living hell for you. Bet me!
Mom, please stop. I beg you.
Shut your mouth up. Shut! You are becoming stupid. I can see. You are becoming stupid. Please, let's go away from this place.
Not so soon, Mom. You. By the time I am through with you in this palace, you will regret stepping into this compound with your two left legs.
Chisom, stop this moment. Stop it! What nonsense!
My prince, I'm sorry. I can't continue any longer.
Hey, you can't say that now. Okay? They can't do nothing to you. I promise you.
I have had enough. I have to leave.
Hey. You can't leave now. And you know what? I'll take care of this. Okay? I'll talk to my father right now. Right now. Just give me some time. I'll be right back.
Your Majesty, I don't know what Ugomma told Jamike. I don't know.
Dad, that girl Ugomma has cast a spell on my brother Jamike. The worst is, she now talks to Mom anyhow.
What?
I wish you were there to see how Jamike was barking at me like a dog.
That is true.
Jamike barked at you? Is that possible? Princess, go and call Jamike. Go and call him right now.
Okay. Oh.
No.
Here he is.
Father. Jamike, what has come over you? I heard you now talk to your mother anyhow, the queen. Is that possible?
Father, I do not like the way Mother and Chisom here are treating my fiancé. They're being too cruel.
Shut your mouth.
And how did you get to know that they're cruel to her?
Because she told me everything they did to her.
Oh, you believed her, but you disbelieved your mother and your sister. Oh, Jamike, I can see that that girl has a mission in this house, but she will not succeed. She will not succeed.
Father.
Listen to me, don't father me. Don't father me. That girl is hereby disqualified.
Good.
What?
You cannot get married to her.
Father, you can't do this.
She has 12 hours. 12 hours to leave this palace. Else.
Dad!
Don't doubt me anything. Go and prepare her right now. 12 hours, that's what you have.
Yes, Okosis. Our people says that an elder doesn't stay at home while the she-goat delivers in taters.
Very true. The saying of the wise.
This incident that has just occurred must not be swept under the carpet.
The manner Ikekwe and his wife Mugo died is still very mysterious.
Very serious. In fact, I am surprised myself. I really do not understand. Because this kind of issue has never happened before in the history of this kingdom.
From Okoro's account of the incident, it is obvious that Amaka killed her parents. And she would have to explain to both the Umunna and Amaka's family what happened to their children. Listen, Ichedike, if ever you treat this matter with kid's glove, I will be forced to report you to the Igwe in council. And you know what that means.
Of course, you see. Be rest assured that between me and the king's men, we will definitely do all we can to make sure that this matter is handled. It will never be swept under the carpet at all. Okoro?
Tell us what happened.
Yes, tell us. When are you?
Well, I was sitting in my house resting when Amaka ran, shouting and crying, asking me to fly to her father's house, that father is terribly sick. On getting there, I saw both parents, father and mother, dead.
You saw them dead?
Yes.
Not sick?
Dead, I said.
Okay.
On examination, I found out that Amaka used Ojubo leaf to prepare medication for both parents. Brothers, there's no doubt that we all know that Ojubo leaf is a poisonous leaf. Therefore, Amaka is responsible for the death of her parents.
Listen, let me tell you. I am sorry and I regret joining the bandwagon of praises that was heaped on Amaka by this community as a whole. Amaka is a good girl. Amaka greets elders. Amaka is homely. Amaka does not follow boys and all that. Because I knew deep inside me, Amaka is what? A witch.
Are you serious?
Are you asking me if I am serious? It is obvious. Oh, you don't even know how witches operate. Oh, you don't? Let me tell you. First of all, they attract you to themselves. They can hypnotize a whole community by their good behavior, by the good qualities that come out from them and all that. You see, everybody is always praising a particular person. And then when you close your eyes and think you're with a human being, the witch will strike. That is what Amaka did with her parents. Killed them for witchcraft.
No wonder. No wonder. The way Ekekwe and his wife just died like that.
Too bad.
It's mysterious.
Too bad.
Anyway, Amaka definitely will be made to pay for the consequences of her actions. It cannot be left like that.
Exactly. Exactly. And the matter must not be swept under the carpet. Look, I don't understand what people are trying to do. If it is kill her, whatever, stone her. Look, she must pay the supreme price for killing. She must be dealt with. And you must take the lead in dealing with her.
Definitely, if that is what it is, I will do that.
Exactly. What is what again? That is what it is. Start dealing with her. She's a witch, a killer, a murderer. Are you waiting for anything? Hey. Hello.
All this your evil plan, this evil plan is just unleashed wickedness.
Ozigbo. If this happened in my kindred, I would have killed her. What are you discussing, whispering?
I'm worried for Mereki. I'm worried for Mereki. I'm worried for Mereki. I'm worried for Mereki. Achuwa kukamada.
I'm so sorry for everything. I never meant for us to end this way.
I understand. It's not your fault. I will miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Your evil plans couldn't work out. Go! Hey. Make sure that daughter of a nobody does not step her foot into this palace again.
Yes, my princess.
Go!
Mommy, you need to take it easy. It's only God that knows why it happened this way. Please, my friend, take it easy, oh?
Ujuma, I've asked God questions. No answers. I have asked him why it has to be me. I have asked to know if I offended anyone. Why does it have to be me? Everyone is accusing me of killing my parents. They say I'm responsible for their death. How do I even start? From where? How? Would you how? How? I don't even have any brother, nobody. How am I supposed to kill the only two people that matter to me?
I know you did not kill them. It's okay. Take it easy.
Amaka.
Papa will be welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Are you still crying? Uju, excuse us.
Okay.
Amaka, crying will not solve this problem. It won't. My prayer is that God will give you the fortitude to bear this irreparable loss.
I cannot bear it. I cannot bear it.
I know.
It's too much for me.
I know.
I am weak and tired. I cannot bear it.
It's okay.
I am drained.
It's okay.
I am drained. I am drained.
You see, I know that people are accusing you of being responsible for the death of your parents. And if you like, cry from now till thy kingdom come. Nobody would believe you. Nobody. But Amaka, you see, I believe you. I believe you because I know that you cannot hurt a fly. Not even a dead one. Huh? It's okay. It's okay.
Ichi, at this point, I don't even have anyone to speak for me. Please. I want to beg you to help me.
Amaka, I will help you.
Help me in any way you can.
I will. I will help you.
Please.
Yes, I will help you. I will help you, you see. In fact, I am the only one that can help you.
That's why I'm begging you.
Okay. But you see, Amaka, it is a give and take thing. I will help you and you will help me. Eh? I will help you only on one condition.
Okay, what is it?
Hey, now you're talking. Hey, Amaka, I don't know why this our love thing is not, you are not understanding. Hey, you see, I want you to, I want you to marry me. Amaka, marry me, and your problems will be over. Eh? Allow me to pay your bride price.
Ichi, we have talked about this. We have talked about this many times. I am young enough to be your daughter, am I not? Why are you giving me such condition? It's not a fair one, please. I'm begging you. Don't treat me like this. Please help me. I know you have what it takes.
Okay, I don't know if you understand the kind of trouble you are in. it could lead to death. It could lead to banishment. Don't you understand? And I am the only one that can help you. Don't you forget that I am a member of the Igwe's council. And I have influence over that council. I can make them to do what they don't want to do. I can make them to see reasons why you are not responsible for the death of your parents. Don't you understand?
Iche, I'm sorry, I cannot. Please.
Oh, well, I just felt I should come and so that you can give it a thought. Just give it another thought, you know. Anyway, I want to ask you, do you need some money? You don't want money? Well, you will need money because even if they are going to send you on exile or banish you from the kingdom, you will need money to go to your wherever you want to go. So, but if you say you don't need money, okay. But you know, just give it a thought, a little more thought, and then let me know so that I can begin to go around before it is too late.
Iche, please don't go. Iche, please. Iche, Bikono. Iche. Mama is not fair. Mama is not fair.
Babes, I just regret embarking on that journey. Jamike's mother and her sister made my stay in that palace a living hell.
I thought as much. You know, I became so apprehensive. We tried your number severally and it wasn't going through.
The queen banned me from using my phone. She only gives it to me at night and allows me to use it for a few minutes. I just managed to cope because of the love I have for Jamike.
Babe, if you had known, you would have left that palace long ago than taking that nonsense.
My only regret is this. I quit my job because I want to fulfill the love I have for Jamike. Now look at it. It didn't work out.
Don't worry, dear. We'll just keep supporting you until you get another job.
Babes, I'm so happy to have you girls as my friends. What would I have done without you girls? I so much appreciate. Thank you.
Babe, it's okay. What are friends for? At least everything will be okay.
I will definitely. I hope so.
So cheer
We
up.
know so.
Thank you so much, my friends.
Cheer up, I beg, but I don't like this mood.
I beg to the house.
Amaka, we have heard you. But from what you've said so far, you have not given us enough reasons to convince us that you never killed your parents.
That's true, Amaka. Tell us the truth.
Amaka, that fateful day of that morning, I saw your mother, very healthy. It makes me hard. She's dead. Amaka, tell us what happened.
My elders. I'm telling you people the truth. I'm not lying. Let the granddads I work on bear me witness. I did not kill my parents. I would never ever kill my parents. Let God bear me witness. Let God vindicate me. I did not kill my parents. I'm being honest. I did not kill my parents. My elders, please. I did not kill my parents, believe me.
Liar! Blatant liar!
No, I'm not lying.
These are tears will not stop us from giving the punishment that awaits you.
Amaka, how do we believe this?
Believe me, I don't know how it happened. I did not kill my parents.
What's the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Don't touch me again.
Amaka, you are a liar. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! How can we believe you? When it's crystal clear that the leaf you use, the leaf that you use, is very poisonous. And you use it to prepare the medicine that you gave to your parents.
I did not know that my leaf is poisonous. I did not know. I'm very innocent. I'm innocent. Please believe me.
Look, Amaka, let me just tell you now, if you do not know, let me let you know now that whatever you have done so far is an abomination. Are you hearing me? And you are bound to face the consequences of your action. Don't touch me.
Well, Chedike, as you have done with this matter.
Yes, please. Nothing changes it. Thank you very much, James. All these crocodile tears will not help you.
No.
All these crocodile tears will not help you.
It's not.
It is convincing. It is convincing that you intentionally killed them.
Please believe me. I did not kill them. Let God bear me witness.
Oh yes, the gods will do. They will. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. In fact, let me just stop you.
No. Please don't go. Please don't go.
Touch me. Just
please don't go.
All I know is be ready to face the consequences of your
Please
action.
don't go.
Leave my hand alone.
Iche, please don't go.
If you like.
Iche.
Will you leave? I said leave me alone.
Iche, please.
Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine. You welcome. How was your day?
Work was stressful, but we thank God.
Really?
How was your day?
Very good, very good.
You miss me.
I do, but I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Why don't you go and freshen up before the surprise?
No. I don't like surprises. Tell me what it is.
Why don't you just go and freshen up?
No, I like to hear it now.
Amaka, how was your discussion with the elders of your father's kinsmen?
Nothing came out of it, Ujunwa. I pleaded for attention. I begged them to listen to me because I did not do it. I yearned that they listened to me, but they refused. They all left me to my fate.
Amaka, you are in trouble, oh. You are in big trouble.
I know.
I heard that the punishment for the crime they are accusing you of is banishment.
But how would you? How can they banish me for a crime I did not commit?
I know you didn't. Sorry.
I did not kill my parents. Of all the things in the world, I love them so much. How could I have killed my parents?
See, don't fold your arms and watch them banish you for a crime you did not commit to. Don't.
What would you have me do? What?
What of Okosisi? Marry him, he can help you. You know he's capable of doing that. Why don't you marry him?
How can you ask me to marry Okosisi? Okosisi is just a family friend to us. Of all the advice you give to me is to marry Okosisi. I don't love him. I am not attracted to him. I'm young enough to be his daughter. How many more reasons do you want me to give to you?
It's okay, don't worry. It's the only way. I think it's the only way out of this problem.
You are still crying.
No, welcome.
Ujumwa. Aneme. Okay.
No.
Yes.
Ujumwa, would you please don't go?
No. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go.
Uju.
Uju. Emesia. Amaka. Why are you still crying? What has happened has happened. Why are you still crying? Okay, yes, I know. Everyone is condemning you. No one wants to believe that you are not responsible for what happened to your parents. And you don't expect them to believe you.
But I did not do it, Ichie.
But they will not believe you. They will not. As it is now, you have the punishment of banishment hanging on your head. I hope you understand what that means. But you see, Amaka, the truth is that I can turn things around. Go to the Igwe's palace, talk to the Igwe, call the elders, give them some money, and make them understand that we can't go this far with you. You're a young girl. But Amaka, Kankowalo, the only thing you have to do in all of this is that you must agree to marry me. Marry Okosisi, and this suffering will get out of your face. Marry me and begin to enjoy life. Marry me and forget about all this trouble. Kwete niga no Amaka, kwete. Except you don't know what is awaiting you. And I am the only one that can solve it.
Okosisi, I've said it to you countless times that I cannot marry you. Ichie, you have what it takes to help me. Please, help me without giving me such conditions. I'm begging you. I have no one to speak for me. My parents are no more. No one is listening to me. None of the chiefs want to hear me out. Nobody wants to associate with me. I did not kill my parents. Please help me without giving me such heavy condition.
Amaka, that is the only option. Agree to be my wife. Agree to marry. Just quit the Hana Nega. Where is this your stubbornness coming from? Like your part is not in Onitsha market. What is it about yourself? What? A man like me is asking you to marry me, and then I mean you are being headstrong. Where did you get this headiness from? Not from your father or your late mother. Not from them. No. What is your problem? Don't you understand that it is a big honor that if you marry me in this community? Amaka, you're walking away. Amaka, come back here. Come back. Except you don't know what is awaiting you. I am telling you. Banishment. Banishment. And it's not just banishment. I will get the youths to stone you. Use a very hard rock and break that strong head of yours. You don't know me yet. You don't know what I am capable of doing. Amaka, you are going inside. Very soon you will have no house to go enter in this community if my name is not Okosisi. Amaka! Hey!
Okay, I prepared your local delicacy. And I believe you like it.
How do you know I love my local delicacy?
Oh yes, I overheard you discussing it with your mom the other day.
And she said she'll prepare it for you when you get to the village. Yes.
You are bad. Yeah, I can perceive the aroma.
Yes, honey. But what is it that your father demanded from you?
You don't need to bother yourself, my love. There's nothing you should be worried about.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. So can I have my food?
Yes. Why don't we go have one first before the food?
Okay.
Come with me.
That's right.
Our people, Igwe and elders in council, have looked into this matter and have asked me to tell you.
We are all yes.
I stand, whether you like it or not. I stand as the eldest man in this kingdom and inform you that Amaka here is responsible for the death of her parents.
Hey! Shut up! She has the hand. Where are you?
Buchano, you're not joking. Asama, Buchano, you committed the crime. Buchano, you married. No, you did.
I swear by the gods. I swear with my life. I did not kill my parents. It was Ichioku Sisi that asked me to give them the leave.
Amaka, there's nothing we can do. The elders and even in council have taken their decision. And what do we do to somebody that kills her parents?
She must be punished!
Again?
She must be punished!
Again!
She must be punished!
Good. Amaka, you are hereby banished for life. The day you set a foot on this land, you shall be killed.
Yes!
Take her away.
Oh Lord, you are my comforter. Bianyere maka. My hands are clean. Oh, I come to your child. You are my defender. My hands are clean. Oh, I come to your child. My hands are clean. Oh, I come to your child. Oh Lord, you are my comforter. Bianyere maka. My hands are clean. Oh, I come to your child. You are my defender. My hands are clean. Oh, I come to your child. Oh Lord, you are my comforter. Bianyere maka. with your child. Oh Lord, you are my comforter. My hands are clean.
I like this place because of the fresh air.
Yes, nice place to be.
Very natural.
The boy we sent for palm wine, it's taking too long.
Yes, so I don't know what's keeping him.
And then Otenko's place is not
far from
here.
Far
from here. You should hurry up.
Maybe a little bit patience.
Greetings, Ichi.
Welcome. What is chasing you?
Ichi, the unthinkable has happened.
What happened? Tell us.
I just saw Amuta. He asked me to come and inform you elders that Oteka, the witch doctor, is dead.
Hey! Mbano, it's not true.
No, it's not that. That is not possible.
Oteka, the witch doctor.
Yes.
Is dead?
Yes.
No.
How is it possible?
It's not possible.
Oh, Mbano.
According to Amuta, on his way to the shrine, a strong force struck Oteka down and he started vomiting blood. And before he knew it, he died.
Ah! Died, you said?
A stronger force than Oteka. How? Ojena mad, Ojena more. Here!
It's very possible because that's the situation now. I was told to deliver this message and I've delivered it, so I'll be on my way.
Well, I have to go. Let me get to his shrine and see with my eyes. Oteka must not die. He should not die. Yes.
Okosi, you know me?
I'm okay. I am alright.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I just Oteka can't die. He can't die and leave me. There's so much at stake. Yes.
Hey!
What is happening to me?
Kadekwa, don't be silly.
No, it's
okay. Don't be silly.
No,
okay, Sisi.
No, I'm okay. I am okay. I'm okay. No cause for alarm. No cause for alarm. Oteka can't leave me. He can't. Who flogged me?
Nobody. No, there's nobody here. Who will flog you? Who share it for a moment?
They are not flogging you.
Nobody's flogging me.
It's flogging me.
Because see what's going on.
What is it? Why are you flogging me?
I'm not flogging you.
I'm not flogging you. Okay, but fine. It's okay. I will tell them. Okay, now look. I will tell them. Tell them. Yes, I did it. I did it.
You did what?
What did you do? I did it now. What did you do? But I'm telling them. I am telling them. Wait, stop. Okay, calm down. Yes, I did it. I have committed. But I am telling them now. Stop! Telling them. But I committed a lot of atrocities in this community. I know, but stop now. This thing is hurting. Hey! Yeah, but I'm telling. I'm talking. Am I not talking?
We're listening.
We are listening. Talk. Wait. Okay, fine. Yes, I killed Ekekwe and the wife. Hey, how? Ugo. Yes, they collected money from me and refused to influence their daughter to marry me. Oh. I'm the one that asked Amaka to take Ojubo leaf and give to her parents.
Hey!
I know they would.
Hello!
Okay, fine. I've done other things now. I'm responsible for Amaka's banishment. They should leave me alone now. Am I not confessing? But and Oji's land I took. Hey! Okosisi! Wait, okay, fine.
Give me.
It's just an innocent soul.
Hey!
Unleash your wickedness.
Bad man!
What's the last man?
Why? I'm worried for Mereki. I'm worried for Mereki. I'm worried for Mereki.
My people of Mbano Kingdom, I greet you all.
Greet you too,
as we all know that the Ono is still recovering from the impending health challenge, the Igwe has directed me to address you people. The Igwe has directed that the remains of Okosisi be thrown into the evil forest because of all the atrocities he committed in this village. The Igwe also asked me to tell all of you that all the lands and other properties Okosisi collected from people forcefully will be returned to the rightful owners. So that is what I was asked to say. Thank you, everybody.
Our people, has he spoken your minds?
Yes.
Has he spoken your minds?
Yes.
Good.
Our able youths, go inside. Carry Okosisi body, let's go and throw it inside the forest.
Nobody on this world, we're on your Madu, where we're I jump Madu, we're looking at one, you're looking at one, you're the one I can
Okay, where are you going to? Where are you going with Bart? I am going back to my parents' house. Will you stop me?
Hey! So you are leaving because my father is dead?
Of course I will leave. What will I be doing here when my husband Okosi is dead? I don't even have any child for him. So why will I be here? Okay, I told you that if anything happens to our husband, you will be the first to lose. You thought I was lying. Have you seen it? Come back, you will not go anywhere. You must come back and money. Madam, listen. Okosi did not leave anything for us here to enjoy. Nothing at all. In fact, if you remain here, you will suffer. Because there is nothing left for you to enjoy here. Me, I am going. Even this car, it is not his own. Igwe is going to return it to the owner, the rightful owner. So there is nothing here for me, Oge Chuku, to enjoy. So Oge is leaving. Do you understand? Then if you know that you are Abarawai, come and stop me. You will not go anywhere. Okosisi, my husband has money. He has a car. I am leaving. He has land. If you know that you are your husband, come and stop me. Come back among your husband. Come and stop me. Come back among your husband. You want to marry? Come back. I am not fighting you. You are going to suffer this. I am marrying my husband. I'm marrying my husband. I'm getting married again. Wait. Let's allow the talk.
Mama, see. Mama, calm down.
Calm down. Okay, I have calmed down.
Mama, she has a point. Mama, Papa left nothing for us apart from this old car.
Shut up! Come on, shut up! Is it easy for a man in the village to own this kind of car? Is it easy? He has a car, he has land. My husband has money. He has money. He has money. Let her go. After all, I know let her go.
Guys, if I had known that Chief Okosisi was behind the different problems that befell Amaka's parents, see, I would have fought him.
See who is talking. Listen, you don't need to bother yourself. Yes! That man deserved what he got for being wicked. Yes! He's wicked.
When Uju's parents influenced her to marry that rich guy from abroad, I turned my attention to Obi. But after this incident, my people are reluctant to carry on with the marriage arrangement.
My brother, that is why everyone believes evil runs in their blood.
Now you are talking.
You see, like father and like daughter. Let's leave this place.
But I think that someday I will definitely find a good girl to marry. Yes.
See, very soon we will all look for well-trained girls to marry in this community.
Hey! You see, that's what they say. The beautiful ones are not yet born. We need to get there, dear brother.
I don't understand. So who will marry the ugly ones now?
You now. Different sizes.
Stop this.
Yes, nice. It's good. Obina, forget it. We need those sizes, you know. This one are like this. Those.
You are big things. You are big things.
Don't worry.